If heading identity 2. Yeah. Keep heading everyone. Identity 2. What is identity 2? A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is identity second. Next, identity 3, note down. Identity 3. Identity 3 is A minus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Identity second, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Identity 3, A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now today we are going to learn with the help of this identity so many questions. An example first. Note down example first. Expand expand x plus 2y whole square. Expand x plus 2y whole square. Expand x plus 2y whole square. Now x plus 2y whole square, it is looking like a plus b whole square. We want to apply here which identity? Identity second. Solution. Yeah. X plus 2y whole square, it is looking like a plus b whole square identity. Now I want to apply here second identity. Now in this, students, you are observing the value of a is, the value of a is the value of a is x, a is equal to x, a is equal to x, comma, b is equal to 2y. Now the value of x and y I want to substitute in the given identity, and I can write here x plus y in the place of x I want to substitute x, in the place of b I want to substitute 2y. X plus 2y whole square is equal to, yesterday I have checked some students, they have solved wrong. When you are writing square, students, always you write in the bracket x whole square, x whole square plus 2ab. The value of a is x and the value of b is 2y, and plus b square, b means second term, 2y whole square. Don't write 2y square, 2y write in the bracket, then whole square. Yeah. Now we want to simplify this, is equal to x whole square, what will become x square plus 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, x into y, 4xy plus, now 2y whole square is equal to 4y square, 4y square. Students, always keep in mind, if I want to write square of any digit, always I will write in the bracket. Now you have observed, you are observing here, x I have written in the bracket and 2y I have written in the bracket. This is the answer. Note down, everyone. Example 2. Expand y plus 2t whole square. Start solving, everyone. Expand y plus 2t whole square. Again, this is looking like a plus b whole square. Write down identity. Solution. Start solving, everyone, along with me. A plus b whole square formula I want to apply here. Identity second. Yeah. Now, students, you are observing here the value of a is y, the value of b is 2t. Note down. A is equal to, start writing, everyone. A is equal to y, comma, b is equal to 2t. This value I want to substitute in the given identity. In the place of A, I will write y. In the place of B, I will write 2t. Y plus 2t whole square is equal to, again, y square. How to write? We'll write in the bracket. Y whole square plus 2 into AB. A is y and B is 2t plus B square. B square means what? The value of B is 2t. 2t whole square. Now y whole square means y square plus 2y into 2t. 2 into 2, 4. 4yt. 4yt. 4ty plus now 2t whole square. 4t square. This is the answer. Next, example 3. Expand 4x minus 3y whole square. Hold on everyone. Example 3. Expand 4x minus 3y whole square. Now in this example 4, which identity I want to apply? 3 or 4? The second or third? Third identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. But students, always keep in mind, when you are applying a minus b whole square identity, the value of a is 4x. The value of b is not minus 3y. 3y, because already in the identity minus sign is there. No need to take minus 3y. These things always keep in mind. Students are doing mistakes here only. The value of a is 4x. The value of b is what? 3y. Start solution everyone. Four x minus 3y whole square is equal to, in this question I want to apply identity second. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, this identity I want to apply. The value of a is equal to 4x. A is equal to 4x, comma, b is equal to minus 3y, not 3y. Why I am not taking minus? Because already in the identity minus sign is already included. We will never take minus 3y. B is equal to 3y. Now I want to substitute the value in the given identity. Yes. Now in the place of a, I want to substitute 4x. 4x minus 3y whole square is equal to a square. A square, what is the value of a? 4x whole square. Always write in the bracket. 4x whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2 into the value of a is 4x. The value of b is 3y. Plus b square. What is the value of b? The value of b is 3y. 3y whole square. Now we need to simplify. 4x whole square. 4x into 4x. Don't say 4 2s are 8. No. 4x into 4x. 16x square. 16x square minus 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24xy plus 3y whole square. 3y into 3y. 9y square. This is the answer. Note down, everyone. Example 4, note down, everyone. This question you will solve, student. Expand expand 2t minus 2t minus 3g whole square. Start solving, everyone, this question. Expand 2t minus 3g whole square. A minus b whole square I want to apply here. Expand 2t minus 3g whole square. Yes. I have given this example for expand 2t minus 3g whole square. Now, students, you are observing it is looking like a minus b whole square. Means we want to apply third identity. Solution. Question here is given 2t minus 3g whole square. In this we want to apply identity second, identity third. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right. The value of a is equal to a is equal to a is equal to 2t, comma b is equal to 3g or minus 3g plus 3g. Don't write minus because already minus is there in the formula. Okay. Now we want to substitute this value in the given identity. In the place of a, I want to substitute 2t. In the place of b, I want to substitute 3g. Now a square. A square means what is the value of a? 2t. I will write in the bracket 2t whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into the value of a is 2t. The value of b is 3g plus b square. The value of b is 3g whole square. Yeah. Students, you are observing 2t whole square, 4t square, 4t square. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 12 gt plus 9, 3g whole square means 9g square. This is the answer. Yeah. Yeah, listen carefully, students. Keep heading left side. Identity 4. Identity 4. Identity 4 is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Note down. Note down, everyone. A square minus b square is very difficult. Note down. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. First bracket a plus b, second bracket a minus b. Yeah. Note down example first. Expand 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 expand. What is identity for? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Example first, note down, everyone. Expand x power 4 x power 4 minus 16. Note down this question, everyone. Expand x power 4 minus 16. Yeah. How to solve this question? Concentrate everyone here. Don't try. Stop writing everyone. Yeah. I have given question x power 4 minus 16. I want it is looking like a square minus b square. Now 16 I can write 4 square. 4 whole square. I can write here. X power 4 I can write. X square whole square I can write here x square whole square minus 4 whole square. Now it is looking like a square minus b square form. But the value of a is x square, the value of b is 4. We write this identity 4. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus b. The value of a is x square, a is equal to x square, and the value of b is 4. Now x power 4 minus 16 is equal to x power 4 minus 16 is equal to a plus b. What is the value of a here? X square plus 4 x square plus 4 second bracket x square minus 4. Again in first bracket we can't apply fourth identity. In second bracket again I can apply fourth identity. X square minus 4 is there. I can write here x plus x whole square and 2 whole square. Here I can write here is equal to x square plus 4. We can't apply here identity. Again x square minus 4, x whole square minus 2 whole square means a square minus b square. Again we can apply, but the value of a is here x and the value of b is 2. X plus 2 second bracket x minus 2. 2 times I have applied here a square minus b square identity. This is the answer. Note down everyone. In the place of x square minus 4, again I have applied identity 4. X square means x whole square and 4 means 2 square. Again x square x whole square minus 2 square, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, x plus 2, x minus 2. First bracket will become x square plus 4, second bracket x plus 2, x minus 2.